This is a dangerous system. Damaging winds, heavy rainfall, storm surge, rough seas, mudslides, and flash flooding are all possible risks. Anggrek is located 2215 km southeast of Port Louis, Mauritius, and has moved east-southeastward at 28 km per hour, 15 knots, over the past 6 hours. Anggrek is forecast to continue tracking southeastward along the outer edge of the subtropical ridge to the northeast, and trailing edge of a strong frontal boundary to the south-southeast. Categorization estimates forecasts are provided by JTWC. Wind speeds and categorizations may be different from those provided by local meteorological agencies. The cyclone continues to be sheared apart by 75 km per hour, 40 knots, of northwesterly shear and suppressed by a deep layer of dry air from the immediate west. TC phase space. Diagram guidance shows Anggrek currently transitioning into an asymmetric warm core system through the extratropical transition, and expected to become completely extratropical in 24 hours as the system becomes superimposed under a westerly jet max and into much cooler sea surface temperatures, 20 C, near the end of the forecast period. Deterministic model guidance remains in very good agreement. On a southeastward track through the remainder of the forecast period, with a cross-track spread of just 130 km in 24 hours. The JTWC track is consistent with the consensus mean as Anggrek continues through its extratropical transition. Intensity guidance remains in medium agreement, while a rapid weakening phase is forecast into the next 24 hours. Intensity guidance varies moderately past the next 12 hours. However, the JTWC forecast is consistent with the consensus, and a continued rapid decrease to 95 km per hour, 50 knots, is expected in 24 hours. Maximum significant wave height is 13.1 meters, 43 feet. Information provided by the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, JT.